Hello everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Welcome back.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay, finally we are getting started after a week. Hope you all are doing good. Let's go. There it is.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Say Aradhya.
Ma'am, I haven't been able to join classes for a while because I had exams and traveling, so I couldn't join classes.
Did you see the recording?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
you're lucky actually. For the last 1 week, we did not have class. So that means 2 classes we have not done. So less recording to watch. Say Shanaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm saying in the exercise 9.2 I've done. Within 9.3, we've not learned the scalene, isosceles, and all
Yeah,
those
9.2
triangles.
was not your homework, Shanaya. It was 9.2 only. As I see,
Oh.
geometry set 2. Say something.
I've done.
No problem.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Aradhya, hold on. You're supposed to raise your hand and speak. Say Samriddhi.
Good evening, ma'am. Samriddhi's mother. Samriddhi will join in 5 to 10 minutes. She has.
Ma'am, I can't hear you, but I heard a little bit. Samriddhi will join in 10 minutes,
Yeah,
right?
Samriddhi will join in
Okay.
10 minutes. Okay.
Fine. Thank you. Say Aradhya, go ahead.
Ma'am, what are the homework we were supposed to do?
Geometry set 2 was the last homework for you. We
Yes,
started
ma'am.
off with geometry. We have 8 parts in it. We have completed 2 parts, and today we are going to start with the third part.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I saw the WhatsApp. You were supposed to do geometry set 2, but I wasn't so sure, so I did set 2 also.
That's fine. No problem.
Yes, sir.
No doubts in the homework from Devashri. Shivani, good evening. Adya, 9.2, sixth question is the doubt. Done, Adya. I'm sharing my screen. Others, if you have any questions or doubts, please ask me right now. And yeah, Abhiraj. Oh, no, not Abhiraj for sure in grade 5. Go ahead.
Ma'am, how was your trip?
It was fantastic. I came back today only, few
Like,
hours back. I went to Thailand.
oh.
Okay. Let's yeah, Vedant say number 9,
Ma'am,
number
did you
6.
go to Bangkok?
No, I went to Phuket.
Where is that?
That is little down from Bangkok. That is known for its beaches and islands.
Oh, did you go to any of that?
Yes.
Nice.
Went to 4 islands.
What?
4 beaches? Yeah, 4 or 5 beaches.
Lucky.
Thank you. Shreya, no doubt. Yes, 4, 6, 9, 10. Okay, done. Vedant, no doubt. Say Shanaya, then I'll go to Manasvi.
No, I was saying
No doubt.
first thing I also went to Thailand and I went to Phuket, Chiang Mai and Bangkok. And also I'm eating my food, so can I put my camera off?
Sure, Shanaya, no problem. That's okay. Say Manasvi, Aradhya, no doubts.
My
Yeah.
birthday video in the Instagram.
Oh, you did? Oh,
Yes.
nice, nice. haven't posted yet in this week. I'll start posting from this week onwards. I was out, so I did not post anything. I'll post. Say Naman.
Ma'am, 7 is also doubt, ma'am.
Okay, done. Number 6 from Parth. All right. Naman 7 and 10. Done. Mishika 6. Okay. Say Samriddhi. Sing.
The day after tomorrow is my birthday.
Who said this? Samriddhi or Naman? Or Ibrahim?
Ma'am, Samriddhi.
Oh, day after tomorrow. Wait. We are not having a class then.
Yes, ma'am, I know. Ma'am, but
We
some
have
days
advance.
later, ma'am, then some days later I'm going to Vietnam.
No, Vietnam. Nice. Go to Da Nang if it's possible. That's a very nice place. Say Tanisha.
Ma'am, I have done all the 7 sets.
Oh my God, Tanisha. Good. Okay, I'll still call you. I'll keep calling you Abhiraj only. Okay, go ahead.
Miss, can I just tell Samriddhi something?
Yeah. Say.
Samriddhi, prepare some masala and paneer because over there you'll only get fish and all those sea animals.
Seafood. You mean sea?
Yes.
Yeah. And the worst part is that they don't cook it as much as we do here in India. You know, I'm like, see, I'm a non-vegetarian. I don't have problem eating that. But the problem is that they don't cook it. You know, they serve it all boiled, which is
Yes.
little difficult to digest as a
Miss,
non-vegetarian
and
too.
Samriddhi, I try to learn a little of the language because you don't understand the language.
Actually, you know, when I first went to Dubai, there it was very easy to communicate, very easy. And the people who knew English properly, and some even knew Hindi. It was very easy.
Yes, Miss.
But in Thailand, it was so difficult to explain them. I mean, all the time I was like this with the gestures. They don't understand full sentence. They don't understand one complete sentence. That's the problem with them. You tell them a sentence, they'll look at your face like this. You tell them broken English, you know, I go. They understand that. Whereas I go is an absolutely wrong English. Okay, fine, guys. We'll get started with the exercise now. Otherwise, we'll not get time. Yeah. Quickly, before I start sharing my screen, Tanisha, if you want to say something, quickly go ahead.
Ma'am, I also recently went to Dubai in this month only, and there was easy to communicate because some people know Hindi.
Yes, that's true. That's what I said. But I mean, I had difficulty communicating in Thailand.
Miss, in France, we had to use the Google Translator.
Translator. You know, the worst part is in the shops also, they have everything written in their language only. Like for here, it was all written in Thai, and I have to use my translator and, you know, click a picture and translate it that what exactly is this thing before purchasing it. Say, Aradhya. Aradhya, you were raising hand. You are speaking, you're on mute. Yeah, say it.
Ma'am, when I went to foreign countries, I know German. That's why I must tell them whatever they are saying or whatever is written.
Oh, nice. See, that's good that you know that already. Say Samriddhi, then we'll go to Bhumik and then Ibrahim last. Say.
Ma'am, but I'm a vegetarian. How will I even find food there?
That's why the advice of you know, Aradhya will Advika will help, that you carry something if it's possible, some
Like
Indian food,
chuda.
some ready to eat food.
Miss, in Switzerland, it was all the non-veg stuff. So we carried like packets of chuda.
Oh. Same pinch for Thailand though. Say Ibrahim.
Ma'am, it would have been very difficult for vegetarian people in Thailand. It's very difficult.
Yes, very difficult. No, but there's nothing except for, you know, leaves. Yeah, literally they were eating different types of leaves, and I don't know what to call those veggies, but yeah, they were different types of leaves I could see in a salad.
Miss,
Okay, guys, it will take time to keep discussing. I'm so sorry. Let's first finish this, then we'll come back to this. Sanya, say quickly last.
Ma'am, is this geometry set 2?
Set 2. Yeah, Sanya, set 2. Shivani, go ahead.
Ma'am, it's about Thailand.
Yeah, say, it's fine.
And
We'll
in
start.
Thailand, it is very hard to actually find Thailand food in Bangkok. It's full Indian food there.
Oh, yeah, there were a lot of things, but then we never ate in the Indian restaurant. We were like, why to go and eat in the Indian restaurant after leaving India? Say Vedant.
Ma'am, instead of facing all these problems while going to other, especially foreign countries, you can just visit India, Nepal, and USA. Best for us.
Oh,
Bestie
fine.
best.
Next in the list then.
Yeah. I will definitely go there.
Okay, number 4 is the first doubt. Say Manasvi, then Shanaya. Manasvi, Shanaya last. Come on, fast, fast, fast.
There is I went to the Goa this year only, and I when I go out of my hotel, the smell of fish coming, the raw fish, I was thinking of that.
Difficult for vegetarians, I understand. Say Shanaya. Then we'll start with number 4.
Ma'am, but in Thailand, we literally everywhere there was veg only, and it was also like really good food. So maybe you were like somewhere else.
Yeah, that's the point. Maybe I'm not sure because I did not really, I never asked for vegetarian food, but I've heard this, from people. Okay, fine. Sanya, you are out now. You're late in raising hand. Number 4 we'll do now. Fast, fast. Which type of line is that? This is pretty easy. So, Gia, let's start with you. This was your doubt only, right? So,
Yes,
what was the confusion? Tell me.
it's not a perpendicular line because it doesn't make
Yes, it is. Just because there's no square mark doesn't mean that it's not a 90 degree. It is a 90 degree. It's meeting exactly at 90, you see. You can draw it by yourself.
Oh,
Okay? So that's why it's perpendicular.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Say Aradhya.
Sorry,
You
ma'am,
wanna
I accidentally.
Okay. Number 5 is parallel. That was not a doubt. This one was a doubt from many, many of you. Well, we did this kind of a question similar, but this part was different. Identify the figure which has only one pair of parallel lines. Only one pair. One pair means 2 parallel lines. Okay. So this one has only one pair of parallel lines. This one has 2 and this one also has 2. So the answer to this question should be option A because this and this is the only one pair of parallel lines you see in figure number 1. Ask Mishika.
Ma'am, but in I part, it also has a perpendicular line. Oh, sorry.
Not really. And even that wouldn't have made any difference. They are not saying that it should be perpendicular or not. The question is only focusing on parallel lines. So that would be enough. Say Manasvi.
Ma'am, in second one also there is a parallel line.
Only one pair of parallel lines. So this was
Okay.
1. This is 1 and then this one is 2. So that's the reason why this is different. I mean, not the right answer. Okay, number 7, the next one. Supplement of the angle 1/5 of 250 degree. So, Shivani, what is 1/5 of 250?
Ma'am, it's 50.
Thank you. And then we need to figure out what is the supplement of 50. So, supplement of 50 will be 180 minus 50. Yash, what is the supplement?
A supplement is
Just tell me the
the
answer. It's okay. It's okay. You just tell me the answer.
180.
180 minus?
180 minus.
In this question.
I cannot see the screen. It's not working for me. I don't
Oh.
know. This went. The went.
You could have told me before. It's okay. You try. Oh, wait. I'll send you to the waiting room and bring you back. Gia, can you tell me what is the supplement of 50?
Ma'am, supplement of 50, so we have to minus 180 minus 130, which 180 minus 50, which is 130.
That's right. Thank you. Now you can see it, yeah?
Yes, now I can see it.
Okay, great. So 130 is done. Anyone, any doubts? Question number 7, Naman? No? Devashri, question number 8. What is the complement of 50 degrees?
40 degrees.
20 degrees because complement add up to 90. And Sanika, what's the complement of 40?
Ma'am, I was absent last class, so I do not know what you have taught.
Okay, we just did the complement part if you see. And no raising hand for answering questions. Shravani, complement of 40? Oh, I know why you rose and okay, I'm so sorry. So I have written it down. Yeah. So back to Shavni. Shavni, complement of 40.
Ma'am, is it 50?
Yeah, it is 50 plus 40. So basically, this question was just a trick question for you. If you see, you really don't need to solve this. You know, complement of 50 will be 40, complement of 40 will be 50. So that's technically adding 40 plus 50 only, which will give you a 90. Thank you. Vedant, do you have a doubt? No?
And I
Okay.
just forgot to lower my hand. I just wanted to correct you that instead of
That's
20,
okay.
it should be
Got it, got
40.
it. Number 9, Parth. What type of angle do we get when we add the supplement of 90 with supplement of 150? What's the supplement of 90, Vedant? Sorry, Parth.
The supplement of 90 is 90 only.
And what is the supplement of 150?
130.
Now, no matter whatever the answer is for this part of the question, I know that if an angle is going to be added to 90, it's going to be more than 90 degree, which is obtuse. There is no reflex angle here, so there is no point of even checking the second part of the question. Why am I saying this? Because as we discussed, we would know how to do a question traditional form also and a little faster form where possible, right? Say Vedant.
And one angle can be of 150 degree.
What angle can be of?
150 degree. 150.
Obtuse. Obtuse. Less than
Obtuse.
180. Yeah.
But when will it become acute angle?
Acute will be less than 90. Okay.
No, straight.
What?
Nothing, nothing. I
Okay.
told okay.
Okay. Tanisha ask.
Ma'am, like the question is supplement of 180, so the answer will be 0.
0. Yeah. Not possible only. But yeah. Okay. The next 10th one. 10th one will be done in 2-3 parts. Okay. So let's start with Manasvi, Naman and Aradhya. Manasvi, complement of 70.
Complement of 70 is 20.
Thank you. Naman, supplement of 80.
Ma'am, supplement of 80. Ma'am, 100.
Thank you. And last one for Aradhya. Aradhya, please multiply these two numbers. What do you get?
Ma'am, you
The
get
answer would
Aradhya.
be
Oh, there are two Aradhyas. I forgot Aradhya. You came out after so many days. I forgot to call you by the name. So let's first go with where is the other Aradhya? Your last name Aradhya. Oh, Punwar, right? So yeah.
yes.
So Aradhya Punwar first, then Aradhya Manoharan. Let's go, Aradhya. Pun.
Ma'am, it would be 2000.
2000, thank you. And now Aradhya M. You tell me how many zeros in this final product. Final answer.
Ma'am, there are 3 zeros.
Thank
So
you.
the answer is C.
That's right. Thank you. Any doubts? Any questions? Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, you told there are 2 ways of doing this problem.
Not this one. I was talking about the 9th one that you can avoid doing the second part. That is a supplement of this.
Oh, okay.
Mini Ibrahim is watching maths. Like literally, you are so interested in mathematics that you're watching your brother's class also. I mean, how studious. I wish I were like you. Say, Naman.
Ma'am, this is my doubt only. My doubt.
What my doubt? You got no understood. No, we did that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So thank you. Oh, why thank you? I would say one word I learned from there. Kokun kha. That means thank you. They emphasize the last word they emphasize it so much. Everything they say is like at the end. Okay. And then their hello is like Swadikha. Like, it goes very long. Okay, fine. We'll start with the third part. Yeah, Shanaya, say.
My mom was also saying that they were like singing.
Singing all the time. Yeah, that's true. Okay, fine. Now we are going to start with the third part. Third part is extremely easy. Honestly, you would like it a lot, okay, because it's just relatable theory. From part 4 onwards, you will find it fun because that will be area perimeter, okay? But part 3 is very super easy. It's like all about the triangles, okay? Something about the points, classification of triangles. So we'll take that into consideration. The new thing which you'll be learning here would be collinear points, okay? So let's know what are collinear points. Anyone who knows already what are collinear
Ma'am,
points?
I know.
Okay, raise
Ma'am,
your
I
hand.
know.
Ma'am, I
One by
know.
one, one by one. Say Aradhya M.
Ma'am, collinear points are the points that are like on the lines.
On the
Hmm.
lines. Just on the line is enough.
On the same line.
Same line. Correct. Tanisha, say.
Ma'am, non-collinear points are which are like zigzag, not a straight line, and collinear points are a straight line.
That's right. Say Parth.
Collinear points are points which appear in a straight line without any zigzag.
Without any zigzag. That's right. It should be absolutely straight. Say Mishika. Then I'll draw something for you people.
Ma'am, 3 or more lines lying on the single line is called collinear points.
More, less than that also. 3 is not necessary. But yeah, listen everyone. Now I'm going to draw a very, very important thing. This is a common confusion which students have. So what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to show you that so that you don't have a confusion. This is point A. This is point B. This is point C. Okay. Now, this is a question where they have already drawn the line like this. I hate my drawings. Okay, this one. This is the line, okay? Now, the point is, they will ask you a question. True or false? A and B are collinear. True or false? T or F? Write it in the chat box. T or F? Okay, most of you are
Ma'am.
going with T. No answering
Ma'am.
like this.
Excuse me, ma'am, chat is disabled.
Not disabled, Aradhya. You have to click on that new chat button, the yellow, blue color one, which has a pencil over it. Then click on my name and then you can chat with me. New methods. Manasvi, say. Don't say the answer.
Ma'am, I don't understand collinear points.
Collinear points are the points which lie on the same line. So do you think that A and B are lying on the same line? Yes, they do. So therefore, they are collinear points. Everyone is true, right? I mean, everyone is saying it's true. Correct? Okay. No, Shravani says it's false. Shravani. Mishika, why false? It's true, right? A and B are collinear because they are lying on the same line. Isn't it? Okay. Now look at this. Vedant, did you get it why it will be true? Now I'll tell you the confusion of some of the people. B and C are collinear. True or false? Now see, the people who are saying false, you people are correct. Until and unless, remember this, please hear me out carefully. You don't have to write it. You just have to listen to me so that you remember this. Until and unless a line is drawn by the question paper setter, like a line is already given to you, until and unless a line is already given to you, you are not supposed to count it as collinear. Don't draw it by yourself in simple language. If there are 2 points, obviously you would say, ma'am, I can draw a line like this and I can say that it is collinear because it's possible to draw a line. But it's possible, not given in the question. You have to always go by the line which is drawn by the question paper setter, not something which you have to draw by yourself. Otherwise, every point will be collinear point. Getting it? So therefore, collinear points will be decided only by the line drawn by the question paper setter. Clear? So here you would say that, ma'am, 1 second, where is my writing pad? Yeah. You would say that A and B are collinear, coming to you, Manasvi. But B and C, A and C are not collinear because no line is drawn already. Okay? Say, Manasvi.
Ma'am, if it would be not line segment but only line when it
Oh,
is
no, no,
drawn
no, no, no. It can be
both
line
side
segment
arrow.
also. No, no,
So
no.
what
No, line segments are also working here. No problem with that.
so what will be answer?
Hey.
A or B or collinear? Collinear?
Yeah, yeah. A and B are still collinear. Whether it is a line, a ray, or a line segment, doesn't matter. Okay?
Okay.
Samriddhi is back. Hi, Samriddhi. What, you played a lot today in the sun or what? Why are you fully tanned today? Look red.
No, ma'am, I had a drawing class. I was late, so I climbed the stairs till 5th floor, and I'm
Yeah, you
exhausted.
must be in a hurry. That's why you look like this. Say, Samriddhi.
Miss,
Okay, you are asking something. Say.
Miss, I didn't understand what are collinear points, and I'm sorry for being late.
No, 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 that's okay. So look at this. Here are 2 points. Okay. Actually 3 points. But then depending upon how the line has been drawn in the question, you decide whether 2 lines, 2 points are collinear or not. For example, I have drawn the black line which is passing through A and B. So that's why I'm calling it collinear. Okay. But I would not say B and C are collinear. Why? Because there is no line drawn by the question paper setter. I am not supposed to draw anything. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hold on, everyone. Let me give you a quick question. That will be easy for you. Try this one. This will be easier for you to understand. Hanifa, you will answer this question. Then Bhumik, I'll come to you. Hanifa, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say the answer.
It's option B, A and B.
A and B are collinear here, correct? Because the line is drawn over here. And of course, we only go by the line drawn in the question. Aradhya, I think you've forgotten no raising hand for answering. Okay, fine then. Now come to very important discussion. Very important discussion about non-collinear points. Then we'll go for a break. What are non-collinear points? Exact opposite. Say, Jia.
Ma'am, the points which are not on the same line.
Yes. Say, Mishika, then Devashri.
Ma'am, same.
Same. Okay. Devashri?
Also same.
Okay. Now see, why have I drawn a point like that? See, is it possible that without bending, you can join all 4 points together? It's not without raising hand. It's like without bending. You have to bend it. Okay, at a point, I can only connect 2 dots. Either like this, either like this, either like this, or this, or this, or this. Okay, but I cannot connect more than 2 points. Now, why is it important? Why are collinear points important? They are important for polygons. You know what are polygons? Polygons are closed figures which are made up of straight lines. Like triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. Quadrilateral is 4 sides. Pentagon, hexagon. Remember all of that? So here, for making any closed figure, that is a polygon, you need non-collinear points. You cannot make it with a collinear point. Otherwise, everything will be in a single straight line only. Where will you bend it? Where will you close it? So therefore, non-collinear points are very important for making any closed figure. Okay? Just a theory. Okay. Then I have a quick question for you people. Before we go for a break, Just a second, huh? I'll just share something on my screen. This is point F, point I. Okay. And for your confusion, I'm creating two lines over here. This was point R, okay? Don't be confused. This was point R. Now tell me, is Q and I collinear? Yes or no? Y or N in the chat box. Q and I. Say Manasvi, ask.
Ma'am, while making a polygon, can we like leave, lift our hand? So we make one straight line and lift our hand, other straight line and lift our.
What do you mean lift our head? Drink water. Lift our head means?
Ma'am, like when we write cursive writing, we don't lift our hand
Oh,
in
lift our
one
pen.
word.
Oh my God, I was hearing head. Okay, lift our pen. That's not the case. That's not the case. We are looking at the turns, not whether we are lifting the pen or not. Okay. And this one's question's answer, almost everyone gave it right, but I'll ask this to Riyansh. Riyansh, Q and I are collinear?
No, ma'am.
Done then. So you people are ready with this. Let's go for the break and we'll come back and do types of triangles and angles. Okay, say Jia, ask.
Ma'am, but Q is a collinear point, right?
With whom? This depends on the other part. Q is collinear. Q is collinear with P, R, and S, but not with I. So depends on the partner. Okay. Okay. Fine, everyone. See you in 5 minutes. Welcome, welcome. Let's get started, everyone. So here we are with the first slide on classification of triangles based on angles. So see, we have done 3 types of angles, right? Acute, obtuse, right? So we'll just put it under triangles. But I have a very tricky question for you people. Okay, let's see how you guys answer this. First question goes to Bhumik. Bhumik, ready? Always ready.
Yeah, ma'am. Always. What to do, ma'am?
Good, Bhumik. So, Bhumik, your question
Yes.
is that what is the maximum number of right angles which we can have in a triangle?
I think
You think?
right.
How many 90 degrees can we keep in one triangle? That's my question. Or if I reframe my question, then how many 90 degrees should be there in a triangle to call it as a right angle triangle? 1,
90
2, or
degrees.
3?
2.
2. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's check it if it's right or wrong. Vedant, is it possible to have 290 degrees? Not back break. Oh, he is? Vedant, did you say anything? Okay. Wait, what happened? Why to my internet? 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. I think my internet was unstable for a moment. I couldn't hear anyone. Say, Naman. Naman.
Ma'am, I wanted to answer.
Say, what's your answer?
Ma'am, I think it is 1.
That's 1. What is the problem with 2, Naman? Why can't we have 2 right angles in a triangle?
Ma'am, I think it is 1 only.
The reason is that 90 and another 90 will never meet only in a triangle, right? And by the way, 90 plus 90 are already 180. So if we add a 0 degree, then only we can make a 180, which is not possible. And therefore, 90 and 90 cannot exist together. There's only one angle which should be 90 degree to call a triangle as a right angle triangle. Did you understand, Bhumik?
Yeah, ma'am.
Good. Did you understand, Naman?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Next question. 1 second, Riyansh. Next question for Ibrahim. Ibrahim, how many angles should be obtuse to call a triangle as obtuse angle triangle? Don't raise your hand for answering. If you have a doubt, then keep it up. Yeah.
Only 1, ma'am.
Only 1. What will happen if we have more than 1?
It will not close only. Same.
Exactly. The triangle rule of 180 degree will not work only. Say, Naman, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, can I draw the right angle triangle?
No. Go it in your copy. Okay. Who is this? Manasvi. Say.
I don't understand this question.
Right angle triangle is a triangle which has only one right angle in it. We can have a maximum of 190 degree in the triangle, Manasvi. Why? Because if we have more than 1, then the triangle will not close only. The sum of the angles in a triangle are 180, right? So if you have 290, then the third angle will become 0, which is not possible. Got it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so do you know that all the three angles in a triangle add up to 180 degree?
Yes.
So if you have 190 degree and the other angles are acute, only then it's possible. But imagine you are saying that no ma'am, I should have 290 degrees. Then 290 degrees will never close the triangle only. You cannot close it, firstly. And second, if you write 90 plus 90, then the third one has to be 0 degree, which is not possible. So that's why a triangle can only have one right angle.
If it is compulsory to take 3.
Triangle has 3 only, no? We are talking about triangles only. So 3
Okay, okay.
angles. Say Riyansh.
And today there will be game.
Yes. Part say.
Ma'am, I was saying that students have got to know that how did you got that one triangle has to be 180 degrees. How did you got that?
Like, how did we get that all the angles should add up to 180? That's a formula you'll be learning in grade 6. So this is called as n minus 2 multiplied with 180 degree. So n is the number of sides of the polygon bar. If the number of side is 3, then 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1 into 180 is 180 degree. For a quadrilateral, it's 360. Why? Because it's 4 minus 2, that is 2 into 180, that is 360. So we'll learn this in grade 6 part. That's a derivation. Say Samriddhi Singh. Fast, fast, fast. Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I
Sing.
didn't understand how you identify it.
You have to identify it with the angles given to you. So if you find any one of the 3 angles as 90 degree, then you call it as right angle triangle. If any one of the 3 angles more than 90 degree, let's say 120 degree and the other 2 are anything, then you call it as obtuse angle triangle. Okay.
I understood.
Great. Say Jia.
Ma'am, but in a right angle, why can't we keep it as 30, 30 and 30?
That will add up to 90 only.
Yeah,
We need
so
the total as 180. Naman, I can see you annotating.
no, for right angle.
Yes, a right angle triangle has only one angle as 90 degree, not the sum of the triangle as 90. Sum of the triangle is always constant at 180.
Oh, okay.
Okay, not more, not less. Say Vedant.
Is there any possible that 180 degree we can put that 360 degrees?
No.
60 degrees three times.
No. Oh yeah, 60 degrees 3 times is possible. That's equilateral triangle. All the 3 angles equal. Okay.
Okay. That is 60
Fine.
only.
Yeah, 60, 60, 60.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now the question is for Sanya. Sanya, how many angles in a triangle should be acute to call it as an acute angle triangle? 1, 2, or 3?
Acute, ma'am, I think 2.
2. Okay. What do you think, Shriyan? 1, 2, or 3?
Miss 3.
3. Why not 2? Why not 2? Shriyan, the question is for you.
Miss, I'm thinking. I mostly think it's 3.
It cannot, no answers, guys. Please don't raise your hand for answering. Please, you remember this. Okay. So in the right angle triangle, suppose this is 90 and this is 60 and 30. All of them add up to 180. But 60 and 30 are acute and this is right angle, right? So
Yeah.
Sanya, if we go by only 2 angles to be acute, then even this triangle can be called as an acute angle triangle. Then why are we calling it as right angle triangle? right? In the obtuse angle triangle also, let's say this angle is 120 degree and this is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Right? Now you will be saying that, ma'am, these two are also acute. So why can't we call this triangle as acute and why are we calling this obtuse? Because now come to the answer that an acute angle triangle is that triangle which has all the three angles as acute. I repeat, all the three angles as acute. Only then you call it as an acute angle triangle. Clear, everyone? All of you? Say Jia.
What if we keep it as 60, 40 and again a 60? Sorry, 80.
60, 40, 80. That's acute. So acute angle triangle.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Next one, Aradhya M.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Say.
an equilateral triangle is also an acute angle triangle.
Yes. 60, 60, 60. Correct.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Just like this, we have another way of classifying the triangles, and that one is based on the length of the sides. So if all the three sides are different length, then scalene. If any two of them are of the same length, then isosceles. And if all the three are of the same length, then equilateral. Right? But see, we are not here for just this. We are here for a little more theory on isosceles and equilateral at least. Okay? So let me go to Parth and Samriddhi Srivastav. So first we'll go to Parth. Parth, do you know something additional about isosceles triangle? That not just the two sides are equal, but also the base angles are equal?
No, ma'am.
So you know it now. Everyone make a note of it, that in an isosceles triangle, the two sides are equal. Their corresponding, that means the angle falling right below it, those angles are also equal. How is this information going to help us? That is important. Say Aradhya. Not Aradhya, it's Advika. Say Advika.
I didn't understand that base thing.
That what thing?
The base angle.
Okay. So there are three angles. This one is at the top, so we call it as vertical angle. Okay. And this is the base, right? So the base is touching two angles of the triangle, 1 and 2. These are called as the base angles. So basically, if these two sides are equal, then these two base angles are also equal. So if one is 30 degree, this is also 30 degree.
Okay, yes. Understood.
Okay.
Thank
Yeah, Parth, your hand is raised.
I want to know that. Can you tell again about the difference between scalene and isosceles?
Scalene is all the three sides are different. Isosceles is only two sides are equal.
Okay.
Now, see how we can use this information in a question. Let's say this angle is given as 70 degree. Will you be able to find out the base angles? Think. Shania, can we find out the base angles?
No, ma'am.
We know both of them are equal. So if I say this is Shania, this is also Shania, then Shania plus 70 will be how much, Shania? In a
Ma'am.
triangle, sum is?
Ma'am,
Sum of all the angles in a triangle. We just discussed it. 180 degree.
ma'am, so then we can from down, then we have to just like plus it with what it would be for 180.
So 2 times Shania is equals to 180 minus 70. So 2 times Shania is equals to 110.
110.
So single Shania is equals to 55. That means this base angle is also 55 and this base angle is also 55. That is the use of isosceles triangle. Like in a question, if they tell you that a triangle is isosceles, so you will use this information in this way. That the two sides are also equal, the two base angles are also equal, and that's how you get the question. Imagine in the same question, 1 second, Jia. Imagine in the same question, they give you the base angle as 30 degree. Will you be able to find out A, B also? Shivani, you can. If C is 30, then B is how much, Shivani?
That's also 30.
Done. So out of 3 angles, you got 2 angles already. Now find out the third angle using the sum of 180 degrees. Samriddhi, Srivastav, you tell me what will be the value of A.
We first write 180, then 30 plus 30, which equals 60. 180 minus 60 is 120.
Sorry, louder.
Miss, 180 minus 60, A equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120.
Thank you. That's right. So see, even if one of the angles is given to you in an isosceles triangle, you people are in a perfect position to find out the other 2 angles also. Say, Jia.
I did not understand that first when the A, suppose the A you have given, but you didn't give the C and B. Then
Yes.
how
So
did
if I give you this, then I know that this is also same and this is also same. So if I take this as Gia, then this will also be Gia. And then 2 times Gia plus 120 will be equals to 180 degree. So Gia would be equals to the difference of 180 and 120 divided by 2. That's 60 by 2, 30.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So if we remove the 120 divided by 2 and then again divided by 2.
Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Samriddhi is saying, I need your help in this one. What is an equilateral triangle according to you?
Ma'am, like the equilateral triangle, ma'am, it's basically the triangle which has all the sides like equal angles.
Yes, and along with all the sides, we have all the angles also equal. And if I divide 180 degree into 3 equal parts, then what will be the value of one part?
Ma'am, if you
180
divide,
by 3.
ma'am, 60.
That's right. So all the angles in a triangle are always 60 degrees in an equilateral triangle. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Try this one, everyone. Devashri, you can answer this once you're done. Then we'll go to Mishika, Advika, and Adya. Same honestly?
Scalar angle means all side different, right?
Yes. Devashri, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
It's option B because it's an obtuse triangle.
This angle is more than 90 as well as it's Colleen because all the 3 sides are different. Thank you. Say Tanisha.
Did you get my answer?
Yeah, I'm getting the answers. Okay, fine. Then let's go to the next question. Say, Jia.
Ma'am, I understood what is an obtuse angle, but I did not understand how is it an obtuse.
You have to look at the question and see that if you draw a straight line like this, it's 90 degree. But it's more than 90 because it's tilted more. So more than 90, less than 180, obtuse.
Oh, I thought like I took the other side, so I got a cute.
In an obtuse angle, we have just one angle obtuse, remember? So you have to check all the three.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Then let's go to, I took some names for Mishika. Mishika, over to you.
Yes,
Mishika, Advika, and Adya. What happened, Samriddhi? Srivastav?
Miss, I didn't understand what is interior.
Inside the triangle, interior. This is interior angle.
Okay.
Use your brain, everyone. This question can be tricky. And Mishika, once you are ready, please tell the answer.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I guess it is isosceles.
Well, that was the tricky part. Adya, what do you think? Is the answer isosceles?
Yes, ma'am.
Advika, what do you think? Is the answer isosceles?
Yes, miss.
Aradhya, Kunvar, do you think the answer is isosceles?
No, ma'am.
Very good. Why? What's the answer then?
Ma'am, because when we plus 60, then we will have 120, then 120 minus, 180 minus 20 is 60. That's why.
Absolutely. Please understand that the missing angle is also 60. The missing angle is also 60. So if all the three angles end up in 60, then it is equilateral. That was the tricky part. Anyone would read this and would feel that two angles equal just like two sides equal. So yes, it is isosceles. But then here you see. Okay, fine. Any doubts, anyone? Aradhya M, ask.
No, I didn't understand.
So see, Aradhya, the two angles are 60, right? So in a triangle, can you find out the third angle also?
Yes, ma'am.
60 plus 60 plus what is equals to 180. So if you do 120 subtracted from 180, you get a 60. And that means the third angle, which was not known to you, is also ending up in a 60. And when all the three angles are equal, it's an equilateral triangle, right?
Yes, ma'am. Now I understand.
Great. Samriddhi Singh, over to you.
Ma'am, could I close my video? I'm drinking hot chocolate right now.
Oh my God, you were not supposed to tell this. I am drinking medicine, you are drinking hot chocolate. What is this? Okay, fine. So let's go to the third question. Here you go. This was for Advika. Advika, this is easy. Quick, guys, then we'll have a match after this.
0 equal side.
Yes. A scalene triangle has no equal sides, so we can call it as 0. Any problem, any questions, please ask.
Miss,
No?
Miss, maybe Samriddhi got the chocolate question correct, so that is why she's drinking hot chocolate.
Shanaya say.
Ma'am, can I leave? I have to go somewhere.
Yeah, sure, Shanaya. Bye bye. Don't forget. Oh, you have already done the third part, right? So just check the questions which you were not able to do. You can try them right now again. Maybe you'll be able to understand that. Okay. All right, Shanaya. See you on Monday. Bye. Say Manasvi.
Ma'am, same as Shana, I want to function.
You want to go? Okay. Bye bye. Take care. See you on Monday. And others, tell me, what did we play
Ma'am,
last class?
Miss, I don't remember.
bye ma'am, thank you.
Ma'am, I also
Okay.
don't remember.
Miss, it's very
Oh
hard
my
to
God, you
remember
forgot.
these things.
Hanifa said,
Ma'am, I have
Frenzy.
Ma'am, I have to
Ma'am, we
do
played Fishing
9.3.
not together, please. Raise your
Ma'am,
hand.
I have to do
Hanifa,
9.3.
guys, don't speak without raising your hand.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Manasvi.
Ma'am, I have to do 9.3.
Yes, Manasvi. The homework is 9.3. Okay. Say Naman fast. Fishing frenzy, I heard from everyone. Now, that's not the question. You want to say something, then raise your hand. Others, you can unraise your hand then.
Ma'am, I also want to go outside. Can I leave?
Yeah, Naman. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, no one else, right? So yeah, we had fishing frenzy. We'll not have fishing frenzy today. So let's have a quick voting between let's play Blue Kit. So Crypto Hack, Gold Quest, and Deceptive
Excuse me,
Diamond. Okay,
ma'am.
so the first vote is for Crypto Hack.
Miss,
Yeah,
can
say.
Battle Royale?
Ma'am,
Oh, less time.
ma'am, can we play Battle Royale 10 minutes?
10 minutes? We don't have 10 minutes. Okay, say 7 people in for Crypto Hack. Okay, fine. For Gold Quest? For Gold Quest, more hands, huh? 9, 10. Okay. For Deceptive Dinos,
Ma'am, for what?
Deceptive Dinos, where you catch others cheating.
Okay.
13. Oh my God, 14. A lot of for Deceptive Dinos. Okay. One more vote for one more option. That is, what was that? What did Mishika say? Battle Royale. Yeah. So anyone in for Battle Royale, you can also raise your hand. Oh, 12. One less than, what do you say? Deceptive Dinos, I would say. So what? Let's have Battle Royale then. Deceptive Dinos next class booked. Okay, fine. Oh, Shivani.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am, please.
No, ma'am,
Please, please, Deceptive Dinos.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, anything is fine.
Dinos. One final
Deceptive
vote for
Dinos.
Deceptive Dinos. Raise your hand. Let's see if you change your mind. I'll just log in meanwhile. Yeah, definitely 18 now. No point. Okay, then first Deceptive Dinos. Next class booking for Battle Royale. I'll write it down so that I don't forget it.
Ma'am?
Uh-huh.
How to play, ma'am?
How to play that? Same as Crypto Hack. There you hack others. Here you check others if they are cheating or not. If you catch them cheating, then good. If you don't catch them, then it's plain out. You can cheat also. So there in the Crypto Hack, you don't see what is below the 3 options, right? But here you can cheat and see and then select the best one. Wait, where is Deceptive Dinos? 1 second, guys. Let me see. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, say. Samriddhi, sing quick, then Bhumik.
Ma'am, why are you drinking medicine?
Oh, that's a general, like, I have migraine. So that's why I have regular homeopathic medicines going on for that.
Okay, ma'am.
Nothing serious. Okay, and say Bhumik. Here's the link, everyone. Join with your first name. Say Shivani.
Ma'am, show the instructions.
Yeah, I'll show the instructions.
Ma'am,
And it's in the main chat, everyone. Say Bhumik.
you are playing your own game.
My own game means? Yeah, the music was on. Yeah. I just hosted it, no? That's why the music was playing that time.
Ma'am, I'm listening 8th anniversary of Free Fire song.
Say Advika.
Miss, it looks like everyone's siblings are playing with them.
Yeah, I can see Jia's, Devashri's, yours. 3 of you at least.
Ma'am, I can't join.
What is it saying, Sanya?
Ma'am, it's saying error.
Then do one thing. Go to Google, click on play.bluekit.com and then enter the code yourself. The code is 594779. 19 of you have joined. Go fast, fast.
Ma'am, I have also done, but it's not working.
Just go to Google.
Ma'am, I need 1 second. No,
Go
it
to
is
Google.
coming. It
Okay.
is coming, but it is
What is it saying?
waiting for HOTS.
Yeah, wait. We have not started yet. That's why it's saying so. I'm also playing today.
Then you will not. Please don't play.
I'll
Please.
make sure I'll keep checking Mishika every time.
Ma'am, still I can't join, ma'am.
Sanya, then your parents have blocked Bluekit from your laptop. What is it saying? Error. But what I wanted to do is this. Go to Google, click on Play Bluekit. Only just type Play Bluekit. It will automatically come. And then just add this code 594779.
Ma'am, when you start the game?
Yeah, Radha. We are starting in 30 seconds, not 30, 20 seconds, not 25 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was fast. Okay, instructions on my screen? No. Okay, they are showing you tutorial directly. Then you don't have to see my screen. If you want to take a tutorial, click on yes. They have changed it a bit. I've not played Bluekit from a long time. By the way, don't worry about perimeter and area, guys. You know this because the questions are giving you the instructions of what you're supposed to do. So just do
Ma'am,
the
I can't
mathematical
see.
problem.
Ma'am, I can't see the instructions.
You have to click on yes for the tutorial. And if you have
I
clicked on
can't see any options like.
then I'm not sure what to do right now. Oh my God, who got me?
Ma'am, I got it. How to see that
Okay,
tutorial now.
great, perfect, good. Oh my God, Tanisha was the changed it now. It's fun, it's interesting. The looks are pretty cool. Oh my God, 1, 2, 3, 4. Aradhya got me. Oh no. I got a question wrong because you caught me cheating, Aradhya.
Yeah.
And stop checking me, everyone, please.
Ma'am, I will check you.
No, please don't.
Yes. Ah, ah, ah.
Sad.
Ma'am,
Yes, don't raise your hand. Just directly say it's okay.
ma'am, I'm not able to play.
Why? What does it have? Say.
Ma'am, like there's
What
some
is it?
feature I don't know. Somehow it got on. Ma'am, like it's saying you can't access any website. Even my Google Classroom I can't now.
Oh my God. No problem. It's okay. You can leave. It's fine. Devashri, you made me do a question wrong. And why is everyone just checking me? I don't understand.
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
what is this was cheater? What is this?
Yeah, so that they have improved it now. So what they have done it right now, tell me. They have given you options and one of them or two of them are cheating. You have to select them correctly. If you select them correctly, then only you get it right. 12, 13. 9, 10, 17 plus 8. I have not got a single cheater. 16.
Ma'am, I
plus
got
15.
3 or more than cheaters.
Wow, man. 10, 12, 22, 4, 6, 10. 22 plus 18. Oh my God. Oh no. Everyone was clear in this one. Silly.
Ma'am, Abraham was cheating.
But you did not catch him.
Yeah.
18 plus 12. 10, 12. This time Ibrahim was not cheating. Calculated the
Ma'am,
final results. Blue Kit has a
ma'am,
full
it was
wrap
a
over,
very
huh?
small game.
Yeah, it is time, no? That's why. Riyansh came first, Aradhya came second, Yash came third. Look, it has improved its website, huh? It looks nice. Very good, Samriddhi, 100% accuracy. Aradhya Purvan, 100% accuracy. Very good. Then we have Parth, 100% accuracy. Don't look
Playing
at my
games,
score,
but
very bad.
I was more investigating.
Very good. Jisha, that's Disha. Okay, that's Jia and Disha. 100% accuracy again. Very good. Maximum number of right answers 20, 26. So don't count me. 20 from Vedant. Samriddhi 26. And 100% accuracy. That's very, very good. 28 is Aradhya M. Very nice. Maximum right answers. Good job, everyone. So what's the homework? Geometry set 3. And wait, Samriddhi Singh left, right? Okay. No, she's there. Samriddhi, happy
Yes, ma'am.
birthday in advance. May God bless
Thank you,
you
ma'am.
with all your wishes come true.
Miss, can you open
Have
the
fun. Yeah, I'm opening the chat. 1 second. And we will also wish you happy belated birthday. So don't worry about that. On Monday, it will be more closer. Wait, I've
Yes,
opened the
ma'am.
chat for everyone. Bye then, everyone. See you. Take care. You can wish her and go. Cake started falling. Okay. Bye. Take care, everyone. Samriddhi. Wow,
Ma'am, the
thanks
class
for
was
everyone.
great. Bye, ma'am.
Oh yeah, I forgot. How was the class?
Ma'am, the class was
After
Ma'am, the
great.
class
leaving.
was
Your class is
awesome.
really good. Okay.
Thank you. I heard Devashi's sister as well.
Bye, ma'am. The
Okay.
class was great.
Thank you. Bye.
The
Take care.
class was
Bye, ma'am.
super.
Class was
Thanks, Aradhya. Thank you, everyone.
Ma'am,
Bye.
the
Take
class
care.
was great.
Thanks, Parth.
And the class was amazing. Bye.
Thank you, Shivani. Bye. Take care.